Welcome to your Renati OS device. Here we'll go over how to use our custom currency converter app. Start by selecting one of the currency values and change the amount with the keypad. Hit the top right icon to swap the conversion currencies. Click on a currency icon to find a new one. From here you can search at the top and click the star to favorite it for later. Select the currency to load it. Your favorites are saved in this list at the bottom of the main screen for quick recall. You can click the stars again to remove them. Click the chart icon to view historical data for the currencies you have selected in the top slots. You can change the length of time displayed to 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, or the last year. Review any of the specific historical values by tapping and dragging along the chart. Click the arrow icon at the bottom to return to the main screen. Then select from your favorites list to load a new currency. Follow us for more Renati tips and make the most of your secure, trusted companion.